Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th, subject English. Topic number 4, essay writing. Students, an essay is a short piece of writing that discusses, describes or analyzes a specific subject or topic. So it should have an introduction, a body and a conclusion. So there are some points which we have to remember first. So that is, first one is, we should give a title to the essay. So this is very important. We should always give a title to the essay. So usually the topic of the essay is the title. Okay. So we should remain within the specified word limit. The next, the introduction should contain our stand or opinion on the subject. So here we should enumerate the main argument of our essay in brief. So it should not be too long. Next, the body of the essay can be divided into paragraphs. Okay, so always remember we can divide it into paragraph. So each paragraph should explain one argument. Okay, so stronger arguments should be written first. Then the conclusion can be a brief summary of the main argument of our essay. So it may also contain your personal views on the topic, and it should not be more than 5 to 6 lines. So remember students, the conclusion can be a brief summary of the main arguments of our essay. Then students, counter arguments or opinions different from your own view can also be included briefly in the body of the essay. So in order to catch the attention of the reader, quotations can be used in the introduction. So students, when we are writing an essay, we should always try to catch the attention of the reader. So we can use quotation in the introduction. Now let us look at different types of essays. So there are 5 types of essays, and that first one is descriptive essay. So students, an essay that describes an event or a thing is a descriptive essay. So it provides details of how something looks, tastes, feels, smells, sounds, and in case of events, it tells us what happens and how. So this is descriptive essay. Next is definition essay. So students, an essay that tries to define a specific term is a definition essay. So it usually deals with abstract topics like love, honesty, patriotism, and kindness. And so students, a definition essay tells us the importance of the term it is describing, why it is important, and how it can be helpful. Next is narrative essay. So students, an essay that tells a story or a personal experience is a narrative essay. So it is usually written in the first person and narrates a new or special incident or daily experiences. Next is argumentative or persuasive essay. So an essay that is written to persuade the reader to the writer's point of view on a specific issue is an argumentative essay. So for example, why should public transport be cheaper and faster? So this is one of the example of this type of essay. Next is expository essay. So students, an essay that provides information on a particular topic based on facts, statistics, and examples is an expository essay. So students, the writer's personal feelings and opinion are not included in this type of essay. So remember that the writer's personal feelings and opinions are not at all included in this type of essay. Now students, this is the format of an essay, that is body of the essay. So first, what comes? First is the title. So here the title should be written. Then comes the introduction. And then paragraph 1, then paragraph 2, paragraph 3. And at the end, what should be there? Conclusion, right? So students, as we learned, we should give a title to the essay. So the topic of the essay is the title. Then we also learned that the introduction should contain our stand or opinion on the subject. Then as we saw that the body of the essay can be divided into paragraphs. So see a paragraph 1, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. And then we saw that the conclusion can be a brief summary of the main arguments of our essay. So this is the body of the essay. Now students, this is the sample, that is write an essay on my country. So first see here, this is the title, right? Then after, as we have written title, my country, then comes the introduction. So introduction is India is my country. It is also known as Bharat and Hindustan. It is a large country made up of many states and union territories. So as you can see here, the introduction should contain our stand or opinion on the subject and it should not be too long, right? Then next we can write that it is a land of mountains, plains, plateaus, forests, deserts and sea coasts. Then it is a land of many rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Krishna and the Narmada. And it has many well-developed cities. Chief among them are Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata and Bengaluru. And New Delhi is the capital of India. Then next third paragraph, India is full of beautiful monuments, buildings, historic caves and beautiful places. People of many religions and cultures live here. India is known for its heritage, spices and of course for people who live here. And that's the reason India is famous for the common saying of unity in diversity. And at the last conclusion, India follows the democratic form of government. And I love my country very much. So students, this was the sample of the essay, My Country. Now students, you can write essay on any of these topics, that is my school or a visit to a historical monument, the advantages of science or my favorite game. So you can write essay on any of these topics.